Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I'm going to download driver Lexmark this year for the serial. You type here for your driver download and this I'm search the official website for you. I'm like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website. This here for official website. You click here. This one. This here for the printer. You scroll down looking for the title driver and spot. Click here for title. And this here for the title, you scroll down looking for the title, driver and download, click here and please wait. And this here for model the device, and this here for the take your automatic operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. And this here for support driver for me, driver for the Windows package, and need if you need change the operating system, you click here. This here for operating system for the Linux, Windows and Mac, and show for the Mac. This here for Mac version, you click here. This here for the new version for Mac 11, Mac 11, Mac 13. I'm testing for the Mac 13, and this here for Mac 13 driver, print driver for Lexmark printer. This here support your Mac 13, and this here for the language English board. Looking that release, and this here for the new that release. If you need to load, you click here and you click you click for the button start a lot. This here for you try for the lot. If you need change the operating system for the Linux, and this here for operating system for the Linux, and not support your new version for the Linux, and this here for the new version for Fedora 27, 28, 29. This here for 13 7 or 13 8. This here for not support your 13 7 for Fedora version, not support your new for driver for the Linux. And this video I'm going to download driver for Windows. Select here your Windows, and this here for the operating system, you click here. This here for a new version for Windows 11, and this here for Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1. This here for Windows Server Spot driver, and this video I'm going to download driver for Windows 11. Like here your Windows 11, looking here. This here for a new date release support Windows 11, and this here for the language English spot. And I'm recommendation for you to download for the package, and this here for the universal print driver installation package. And I'm recommendation for you download here. You click here for the title, and you click here for button start download. This here for your driver. Download if you need printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and please wait to finish the for the load. If you finish the for the load, you double click here, or you click here, you click open, you double click file, you click next, and you click finish. It's here for the tag automatic here USB cable printer. If you need question, comment below. If you need link, lot below description the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time the video.